Hello, in today's video I'm gonna talk about the common problem, especially in Florida. This is what happens after 5 or 6, 7 years. Most of our shoes bottom, it just delaminates. Why? Because we have a lot of moisture in Florida, and this is the common problem, probably not only in Florida. So a quick video on how to fix it. As you can see, I've already used this contact cement. This is regular contact cement that you can buy at Home Depot. I don't know, it costs probably around maybe $10. And you apply the glue, clamp it, and it works like a charm. And as you can see, my other shoe, that was doing exactly the same thing. Now it's fixed. So how do you do it? Technically, you should have a smooth surface. I'm not even gonna bother doing this because I know it's gonna hold. Basically, what you need to do is we need to apply this glue on both surfaces, and then most important thing, you cannot touch any of those surfaces unless the glue is dry to the touch. That's the most important thing. Contact cement will not work if you are not going to let it dry a little bit, and I'm gonna show it in a second. It has to be dry to the touch. I'm using the glue with the brush to spread the glue evenly on both surfaces. Remember, the glue has to be on both surfaces, not on one, otherwise it's not gonna stick. So once you apply it, it doesn't have to be a lot, but it has to be evenly distributed on entire surface. So once you stick two surfaces together, it creates a bond, and the bond should be lasting hopefully forever. Of course, we know that nothing lasts forever. So I'm going to go and now apply it on this part. Technically, depending on where you are, may take even up to 5 to 10 minutes before it dries. I think right now I have a nice and even surface area. This glue also does not have a good smell, so make sure you work in a ventilated area, don't inhale it. Okay, now I'm gonna close it, and then you have to wait for sometimes few minutes before it dries. Most important thing, this cannot be sticky. So right now it is sticky, so I need to wait for, I don't know, a couple of minutes to let it dry, and I'm gonna show you in a second what you are looking for. Alrighty, now majority of the area is kind of dry, it's not too sticky. Yeah, so now very important thing, once those two surfaces touch each other, forget about it, you will never get it separated. So you need to make sure that you're in the right spot. For this particular project it's pretty easy, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start pushing from the bottom, and then I'm gonna apply a little pressure, and once this sticks together, you want to press it, and preferably you can use some clamps. So I have some clamps right here that I'm going to use to make sure this sticks together, and I have a couple of other clamps that I'm going to apply, and then I have other clamps that I'm going to use to make sure that on the edge it will stick properly. So this is pretty good. Alrighty, and then on this area I'm just gonna use this flat piece of wood, and then if you have something flat over here, you can also put it here. I'm just gonna use this clamp because it has a nice and generous flat area, just to hold it in place for a couple of hours before the glue really sticks forever, hopefully. And that's basically how you fix the laminating shoe sole. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.